If you look at this question, it's given in the problem. X is given in the problem as a tan of 15 degree. X is given in the problem as tan of 15 degree. Y is given in the problem as cosecant of 75 degree. And Z is given in the problem as a 4 times sine of 18 degree. Okay. Now, what is the relation between X, Y, Z? Which is greater, which is smaller is the question asked. So now, I can say X is equal to tan 15 can be written as tan of 45 degree minus 30 degree, correct? So what can we write here now? What is the formula for tan of A minus B? Tan of A minus B can be written as tan A minus tan B, tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B, correct or not? So what is this value? Tan 45, 1 minus tan 30, 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into 1 divided by root 3. So what is the answer that we get is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So this is the value of X. To be more precise here, we can write like this, multiply by root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 the whole square divided by root 3 square minus 1 square. Correct or not? So this is nothing but 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 2. So what is the value of X is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 minus root 3. Correct or not? 2 minus root 3. So what is the value of Y is equal to cosecant 75 can be written as 1 divided by sine of 75 degree. Y is equal to 1 divided by sine of 45 degree plus 30 degree. So we can write here sine of A plus B. What is the formula for sine of A plus B? That is nothing but sine A cos B, sine A cos B plus sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, correct? Cos A sine B. So what is the answer that we get? Y is equal to 1 divided by sine A cos B. Cos B is nothing but root 3 divided by 2 plus cos A into sine B. Sine B will be 1 divided by 2. So what is the answer that we get to? Y is equal to 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So y is equal to 2 root 2 divided by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 multiply by root 3 minus 1 and divide by root 3 minus 1. So what is your answer that we get? Y is equal to 2 root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 will be 2. So what is your answer that we get here? Root 6 minus root 2. Root 6 minus root 2. So obviously this number y is greater than X, as you can clearly see. Y 2 can be written as root 4, here root 3. So this value is a bigger value when compared to this value. Is it right? Similarly Z is equal to 4 sine 18. Now look here how to calculate sine 18 degree. How to calculate sine 18 degree? Let theta is equal to 18 degree. So I can say 5 theta is equal to 5 multiplied by 18, which is equal to 90 degree. Correct? 5 theta can be written as 2 theta plus 3 theta, that is equal to 90 degree. So I can say 2 theta is equal to 90 degree minus 3 theta, right? So sine of 2 theta, that is equal to sine of 90 degree minus 3 theta, correct or not? So I can say sine 2 theta, that is equal to cos 3 theta, correct? Cos 3 theta. So I can say sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta, that is equal to cos 3 theta can be written as 3 cos theta minus of 4 cos cube theta, So I can say 2 sine theta, if you divide by cos theta, I'll get 3 minus 4 cos squared theta, correct? So 2 sine theta, that is equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 minus sine squared theta. Cos squared theta is 1 minus sine squared theta. I'm trying to tell you the derivation for everything now, how to do sine 18. So this is nothing but 3 minus 4 plus 4 sine squared theta. So what is your answer that we get now? 0 is equal to 4 sine squared theta minus 2 sine theta minus 1. Solve this quadratic equation. So what do you get? Sine theta is equal to, here it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? So where a value is equal to 4, B value is equal to minus 2, and what is the value of C is equal to minus 1. So you can say sin theta is equal to minus B plus or minus root over B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. And this sin 18 belongs to the what quadrant? First quadrant. If it's in the first quadrant, then the answer should be definitely what? Positive. So I can say sin theta is equal to minus of minus 2 will be 2 plus or minus 4. So how much do you get? Minus 4 into A into C, that is nothing but plus 16 divided by 2 4s are 8. 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 divided by 8. This is nothing but 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 4. So this is nothing but sin theta. So because it is positive, I will take the answer as a root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. This is the answer what we will take. So sin 18 is nothing but, so here this is nothing but 4 times root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So your answer for Z is equal to root 5 plus 1. So if you can clearly see, X is this value, Y is this value, correct, root 6 minus root 2, and Z is root 5 plus 1. So obviously I can come to the conclusion that X is Y less than Y is less than Z. This will be the answer to the question.